Facebook temporarily locked, how to unlock. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can solve if your Facebook account is temporarily locked and how you can unlock it. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now for security reasons, sometimes Facebook temporarily locks your account, right? So they're going to lock your account for a couple of reasons. Maybe they notice some kind of spammy behavior, or maybe someone tried to log in too much to your account, and that's why Facebook is going to temporarily lock it. And to solve it, as you can see, the name is itself temporarily locked. So what you have to do is you have to wait 24 hours to access your Facebook account just for security check, because this is done just done for security purposes. You have to wait up to 24 hours. So when you try it the next day, Facebook will allow you to log in without any sort of issue. So this way you can solve the Facebook account temporarily locked issue. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.